Hola y bienvenidos a Let's Talk Spanish. Today we're going to learn 5 Colombian expressions or 5 Colombian slangs. These expressions will help you if you visit Colombia or if you have a conversation with a native speaker. Number 1. A la orden. A la orden. The meaning of this is at your service. Maybe if you go to a store or go to a market in Colombia, we use a la orden when you arrive or when you pay. I'm gonna give you some examples. When you arrive, we can say, a la orden, ¿en qué puedo servirle? Or maybe if you pay or you are going to leave, we can say, a la orden, fue un gusto atenderlo. A la orden, lo esperamos a la próxima. Number 2. Billete. Billete. The meaning of this could be dollar bills, money. Billete is a common Spanish word that could be ticket like boleto, but in Colombian Spanish it could be used like money. Some examples. No tengo billete. Or, ¿cuántos billetes hay en la cartera? Number 3. This is a funny one. Los tombos. Los tombos. The meaning of this is the police. Hey, you have to be careful because this word is only used in Colombia, okay? Some examples. Yo no sé, pero ya vienen los tombos a ayudarnos con esta situación. Number 4. Dar papaya. Dar papaya. The literal meaning of this expression is to give papaya, but we're trying to say to you that you have to be careful. You know, the papaya is an exotic fruit. Imagine that the papaya is something valid for you. Maybe your phone, maybe your computer, your jewelry, something like that. And if maybe a Colombian person said to you something like, no de papaya, or está dando mucha papaya, he's trying to say to you, you have to be careful with your things. Okay, this expression, it's a little difficult to translate. So imagine the meaning of this expression, that papaya is something like, don't give them a reason to rob you. So an example could be, no de papaya con sus cosas. And number 5, sapo o zapa. The literal meaning of this word is frog, but slang meaning it's a snitch person, a gossip person. So a sapo is a person that can't keep a secret. For example, ¿usted le dijo a mi mamá que yo salí anoche? ¡Qué zapa! Okay, that was all for today. But don't worry, we're going to learn more expressions. No olviden darle like y si quieren ver mucho más contenido, pueden seguirnos en todas nuestras redes sociales y por supuesto seguirnos en nuestro canal de YouTube. Chao.